Today, we are going to tour 3865 West Denver Street in Chandler, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this charming 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the highly desirable Hearthstone community. Featuring low-maintenance desert landscaping, beautiful tile flooring, ceiling fans throughout, and a cozy fireplace, this home offers a comfortable blend of style and convenience. Inside, the open floor plan creates an inviting atmosphere where the spacious living room flows seamlessly into the kitchen, making the space ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. The kitchen is fully equipped with all major appliances, and the home comes with a washer and dryer for added convenience. Residents can enjoy access to community amenities that include a pool, spa, playgrounds, and scenic walking and biking paths. The well-maintained community provides a welcoming environment and plenty of opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. Located in the heart of Chandler, this home offers quick access to Loop 101 and Loop 202, making commuting throughout the valley simple and convenient. You'll also be just minutes from Chandler Fashion Center, popular restaurants, coffee shops, entertainment venues, parks, and recreational destinations. So if you're interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. This home offers a wonderful rental opportunity that combines comfort, convenience, and lifestyle. Schedule a tour today.